Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is Tiwari and let us discuss refraction of light today. As you all know, I have already discussed reflection of light in earlier video of mine. Today, I want to tell you the refraction, the process and the phenomenon behind refraction. First of all, we will know what is refraction of light. So, before knowing the definition, before knowing the phenomena, I want to show you something. So, I have a glass of water. The glass is transparent and let us see if I dip this pencil inside it, what happens? Can you observe something? Can you see the difference? What is the difference and what did you observe? We saw that as soon as I dipped inside the pencil, inside the water, medium is changed. I dipped the pencil which was in the air medium. As soon as I dipped inside the water, which is a denser medium, and the medium is changed, the image of pencil is bent a little bit. The image of pencil is bent a little bit and it is thicker too. Okay. So, what was the relation of this observation and what is the relation between refraction and this experiment? It will be very clear after the explanation. Refraction. Refraction. When a ray of light incidence on a denser medium, then the air, okay, on a denser medium, or when a light ray is incidence from a rarer medium to a denser medium, let's say a glass slab, okay, and this is air. The light is traveling from air to glass, and the point at which the light ray is incident is known as the point of incidence. We have already discussed it. Let's say it is a normal, okay, and this is a glass slab which is a denser medium. As soon as the light travels from rarer medium to a denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So the straight path of the light should be this, but it bent. Why did it bend? Because glass is a denser medium and light takes time to travel here. The speed of light changes here and the speed of light is changing due to the density of the glass slab, and hence the light bent This bending of light is known as the refraction of light. Bending of light is the refraction of light, or changing the path of light is the refraction of light. Okay, let us consider this as a case 1. Okay, when light is traveling from air to glass, from rarer to denser medium, what we observed? We observed that angle I is greater than angle R. Okay, the light rays bent towards the normal in the denser medium. It happened due to the change in the speed of light. Let's say here the speed of light was 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and in glass 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, the speed was slowed down. As soon as the light entered the glass. Why? Because glass is a denser medium and it took time for light to travel inside the glass, and hence the speed slowed down. Because the speed slowed down, the light bent. The light was bent towards the normal. So note, for the case 1 where light is traveling from air to glass or from rarer medium to denser medium, when light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, angle I means angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. And light ray bends where? Towards the normal. Bends towards the normal. This bending of light is the refraction of light. You can ask me, what if the light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium? What if we change the medium, we inverse the medium? Yes. Let us see what happens next. अगर जिन्हें समझ नहीं आया मैं हिंदी में समझाती हूँ. रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट क्या होता है? रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट वो होता है जब लाइट ट्रैवल करे रेयर मीडियम से डेंसर मीडियम में. यानी एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, एयर से ग्लास के अंदर, तो स्पीड में चेंज आता है, लाइट की स्पीड में चेंज आता है. लाइट की स्पीड स्लो डाउन होती है डेंसर मीडियम में और वो नॉर्मल की तरफ मुड़ जाती है. जैसे कि हमने इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में देखा था, एयर में पेंसिल है और जब जैसे ही पानी में डाला ये बेंड हो गई, थोड़ी सी बेंड हो गई, थोड़ी सी टिल्ट लग गई है. यही प्रोसेस था इस इमेज में. क्या होगा अगर हम डेंसर मीडियम से लाइट को ट्रैवल कराए रेयरर मीडियम की तरफ, तो उस वक्त रिफ्रैक्शन कैसा होगा? लेट्स से ग्लास से एयर में जब लाइट ट्रैवल करे, सपोज लाइट इंसिडेंस हुई, ग्लास से ट्रैवल कर रही है कहाँ? एयर में. और पहले हम नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करते हैं. वी ड्रॉ अ नॉर्मल, ओके, which is perpendicular. Yeah. So this is, now here this is the incident ray. This is the incident ray where in a glass medium, and it is traveling where? It is traveling in air. What will happen? The light will bend. The light will bend here also, but away from the normal. But away from the normal, not towards the normal. यहाँ normal की तरफ bend नहीं होगी बल्कि normal से away bend होगी. And ये भी refraction का ही process है. ये refracted ray, ये incidence ray, ये angle of incidence, ये angle of refraction. अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ भी refraction हो रहा है, but angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction, or angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. Okay? जहाँ लाइट फॉल होती है वही होता है इंसिडेंस, और जहाँ से रिफ्रैक्ट हो रहा है, जहाँ मीडियम चेंज हो रहा है, जहाँ हमारी लाइट हमारे ओरिजिनल मीडियम से डिफरेंट मीडियम में ट्रैवल करने की कोशिश करती है, वो होता है, वहाँ होता है रिफ्रैक्शन. तो जैसे ही लाइट हमारी ग्लास मीडियम से एयर मीडियम में निकली, हमने देखा लाइट का एंगल चेंज हो गया, और यही एंगल है रिफ्रैक्शन का एंगल, विच इज ग्रेटर देन द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हियर. इसे मानते हैं केस 2. दिस इज केस 2. व्हाट इज द केस 2? Case 2 is when light is traveling from denser medium to a rarer medium, the angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction, or the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. Why? Because light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. Here the speed of light is increasing. Here the speed of light increases, hence the light travels away from the normal, and it is easier for light to travel in a rarer medium. Hence the speed also increases. As the speed increases, angle incidence. So we can note one thing: greater the speed, greater will be the angle. Greater the speed, greater will be the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. Okay. Greater the speed, greater will be the angle of refraction. Okay. And these are the two cases what you can imagine, what I can imagine. But have you imagined of third case? Third case, what will be that? रेयरर से डेंसर हो गया, डेंसर से रेयरर हो गया. तीसरा केस क्या बन सकता है? तीसरा केस बनेगा ना, तीसरा केस तब बनेगा जब कोई एंगल से लाइट ट्रैवल नहीं कर रही हो, जब किसी एंगल से लाइट इंसिडेंस नहीं हो रही है. मतलब वही ग्लास स्लैब, वही एयर, एंगल ऑफ ये नॉर्मल है. ओके, दिस इज नॉर्मल. लेट्स से व्हेन लाइट इज ट्रैवलिंग मेकिंग नो एंगल विद द नॉर्मल. जब हमारी लाइट इंसिडेंस हो रही है बिना एंगल बनाए नॉर्मल से, यानी ऑन द नॉर्मल कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, यही नॉर्मल है और इसी पे लाइट ट्रैवल हो रही है, इसी पे, यानी नॉर्मल पे ही, यानी इसके परपेंडिकुलर ही. तो क्या होगा इस केस में? रिफ्रैक्शन होगा. इस केस में रिफ्रैक्शन होगा. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस अगर जीरो है तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन क्या होगा? एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस जीरो क्यों है? बिकॉज देयर इज नो एंगल बिटवीन एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एंड नॉर्मल. सिंस angle of incidence is 0 here, this is I, angle of incident ray is 0, what will be the refraction? Can you imagine? The refraction will be 0, means there will be no refraction. There will be no refraction in such cases when angle of incidence is 0, when the angle with the normal is 0, when the incident ray making 0 angle with the normal, refraction taking place will be 0. That means no refraction is taking place in such cases. This was the whole phenomenon of refraction. Did you understand? If you liked the video, please subscribe, share and share as much as you can. Thank you so much. This is it.